Hi, I'm Antony della Porta, an established strategist and critical systems thinker for portfolio, program and project recovery and delivery. I provide expert assistance and advice for organisations through strategic business change. Join me on Thursday the 23rd of June as I'll be hosting Good E-Learning's How Can AgileBA Help Your Organisation Achieve Success webinar. In this 45-minute webinar, I will help you to gain a better view of some of the core elements of the course, to understand how this course will provide you with a guiding framework in your current or new role as a BA, to understand some of the key topics that the course covers, both holistically and from a project perspective. Get a practical understanding how AgileBA concepts has led to organisation to achieve its strategic objectives, and be able to ask questions directly as to the course elements, how the course could help you in your career, and other points you may want to clarify before embarking on the course. You will also get an opportunity to ask me questions in an exclusive Q&A session at the end of the webinar. Don't miss this chance to gain an in-depth insight. Click on the link below and register for free today.